Hi everyone. Today we will be dealing on how to manage your anger. So this is a very common topic that everyone struggles with. Even I have struggled my whole life how to manage your anger with. So there is something I learned and I found it very useful. So managing anger, we must not first thing we must remember is anger is not something we should be blaming ourselves for. Okay, we shouldn't be feeling guilty that we should not tell ourselves the story that I am an angry person. Okay, anger is a normal feeling in any human being that arises time to time when when it acts as a feedback that something is in your end, something is not happening according to what you wish for, or it is a feedback that something in your environment is not happening according to what your wish or desire or your imaginations or the way you want things to be. The thing is not going your way, or thing is not going in your favor, or the thing is happening against you, that makes the anger appear in your mood. So it shouldn't be treated as something negative, or you shouldn't blame yourself for becoming angry. So first thing we must keep in mind that it is just a feedback, okay, that there is something is happening in your environment that has to be dealt with. Okay, either you have to stand for yourself, or you have to communicate your boundaries that somebody is taking you for granted. Someone is acting against you, you have to talk with them, or there is something you need to do in your environment so that the things go in your favor or in favor of everyone. So let's treat anger not as a negative emotion but rather as a feedback. So second thing, anger, the problem with anger is we react rather than responding. So anger, and after reacting to the situation, we feel guilty about it. So it's like a negative emotion to the square. So first we must understand anger, why anger appears. So beneath anger is a complex emotion, because what you see outside is the anger, but just beneath the anger it is actually hurt, that you feel hurt for something, that you're feeling hurt, and what you show outside is anger. For example, you are ignored in a group and you become angry for that. People should be acknowledging me, or I have expected this way, but that's not what I'm getting. So beneath every anger there is a hurt, and beneath every hurt there is a fear. Okay, it may be based upon your previous experiences. You might have gone through the same situation and you fear that the thing may be repeated, or if you allow this to happen, you may end up having a negative outcome. So that is the fear. For example, my son is getting not so good mark in his exams. So first thing, I may be angry with him. So if you are angry, just analyze your emotion. Why are you angry? So beneath that it may be a simple hurt, that okay, he could have done better, or I could have helped him better. And beneath every hurt there is a fear that okay, if this is repeated every time, okay, this may not be good for his future. If he keeps on scoring so low marks, this may not be good for his future. So if you are able to analyze your emotion, and rather than going for the outburst of the anger, if you are able to communicate to the other party that okay, see if I tell my son, if you please, can you make sure that you study better next time and get better marks, because I feel hurt when your teacher says that okay, that I'm not helping you with your studies, and that I'm not paying attention to your studies. I feel hurt, and I'm scared that if you don't do well in your exams, you may not be able to secure a good future. So rather than communicating or reacting at the first thought, it is better to communicate what we feel. So see how I have channeled my anger into a better communication. That I have told my son that okay, why I am angry. So its best option is, rather than shouting, we can tell them, okay, I am angry with this, and you know why I am angry, because I am feeling if this goes on like this is the hurt I am having, this is the reason I am hurt, and this is the reason I fear this. So I hope everyone understands how we can channel our anger in a productive way. And anger shouldn't be always treated as a negative emotion. Thank you.